Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you have learned numbers from 100 to 10,000. There was also a question. How do you say 1207? A. 1200 B. 1206 C. 1207. The correct answer is C. 1207. In today's lesson, you will learn how to say where and when were you born. Let's start. I will syllabify each sentences and repeat it 3 times. Please repeat after me. Dove sei nato? Dove sei nato? Dove sei nato? Dove sei nato means where were you born. This is used if the subject is masculine. For feminine subject, you say dove sei nata. Dove sei nata? The answer is sono nato in. Sono nato in. Sono nato in. Sono nato in means I was born in, followed by the country. If you want to tell also the city, you say sono nato a, followed by the city. For feminine subject is sono nata in. Let's see some examples. Giuseppe, dove sei nato? Giuseppe, where were you born? Sono nato in Italia, a Roma. I was born in Italy, in Rome. Maria, dove sei nata? Maria, where were you born? Sono nata in Spagna, a Madrid. I was born in Spain, in Madrid. If you want to ask when were you born, you say quando sei nato? Quando sei nato? Quando sei nato? For feminine subject is quando sei nata. To answer, you say sono nato il. Sono nato il. Sono nato il is followed by the date. For feminine subject is sono nata il. Now listen carefully to these examples. Giuseppe, quando sei nato? Giuseppe, when were you born? Sono nato il 1 settembre 2000. I was born on the 1st of September 2000. Maria, quando sei nata? Maria, when were you born? Sono nata il 10 agosto 1980. I was born on 10th August 1980. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. If you want to ask a man where were you born, you say dove sei nato. To a woman, you say dove sei nata. To answer, you say sono nato in, followed by the country, a, followed by the city where you were born. For feminine subject, you say sono nata in. If you want to ask a man, when were you born, you say quando sei nato. To a woman, quando sei nata. To answer, you say sono nato il, followed by the date. For feminine subjects, sono nata il. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say she was born in Germany? A. Lei è nata in Germania. B. Lei è nata a Germania. C. Lei è nato in Germania. I will reveal the answer in the next lesson. In the meantime, you can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also leave a comment there. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I am going to teach how to conjugate verbs in Italian. Grazie, a presto!